Hello friends, welcome to Tech Freak. So friends, in the previous video, we migrate our portlet and we can verify that it's available on our page in 6.2. Okay, so actually we migrate the whole HDK and this is our portlet. But I already told you that I don't like this kind of like migration of portlet because there are like following reasons. First, as you can see, our project is a var based project, and in OSGI or like in DXP 7.2 we are using our jar based project. The second thing, actually we are not using the OSGI properly because like we have these XML files, and we already know that in OSGI we have like all the annotations and all the things. So today we will try to migrate this project and use the annotation based OSGI proper. So we have this kind of file in our 6.2 project, so we try to migrate. So for this, let me just create a new module project. So I provide the name as like same. What is my portlet name? The migration demo. First let me create the project name as, and it is Gradle based and MVC. Click on next. So now I need to provide the component class and the package name. So now the portlet name is migration demo and the package name is com.test. So let's finish. So now as we can see, we have all these properties, and now I need to just simply copy whole the code that are available in do view and paste here. So this is MVC portlet. Let me change it to generic portlet similarly. So I try to do all the things same. Open the JSP also and open the JSP for 6.2. Now let's try to deploy this. So this is built successfully. Let me open the folder. So now we have the jar. Now open the deploy folder. So it's started. Let's try to refresh. So now we have a portlet which is successfully migrated from 6.2 to DXP. Let's change some text. Okay, and try to deploy. So as you can see, now we have this new portlet which is migrated properly, and here we are using only the OSGI things. So as you can see, we have this properties, and inside our project there is nothing which is XML, and the separation is properly. So this way you can create your new portlet and migrate the old one. So we just need to simply copy paste all the view.jsp and JSPs. So like this is a small project, but if your project is very big, so you can just copy the whole JSP folder to this and whole portlet to this, and if you have utility files, create a new package and inside put all the utilities. So this way you can migrate and use the basic 7.2 or 7.3 which is like newly in market. You can migrate easily and use the OSGI concepts. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.